Okay, come on, I'm really
Hey.
Hey. So, what's your name?
My name is Lexi Black Gold.
Oh, the
Lexi.
like Lexi.
My name is Lexi. How cool is that?
Are you a storyteller?
Am I?
No.
No.
Can
No.
I ask you some questions?
Yeah.
Is Gwen Hong an asshole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, you just say this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, you
Perfect.
eat me. You eat me.
Ask her something.
Wanna have this? Yeah.
No.
Oh. Hey.
Oh my god. Say something else. Like.
Hey there. Is Mia beautiful?
Yeah.
God, no. It starts with an N and end with an O. What is that spell?
No.
Yay.
What?
Hey everybody, sing happy birthday to me.
It's so sexy.
Birthday to me.
Yes, it's your birthday. So quiet.
Why? Why did you have to be so mean to me?
Oh my god. Oh, my best friend.
Hey.
Alright.
Present.
It's so sexy on her birthday.
No. No.
Yes.
Present.
She's wearing shorts.
Present.
You don't have.
Present.
Don't have it.
Just
Not
give
for
me the
you.
camera.
Ah,
Just
not-
give me the camera. Hey.
That's your
Should I
third
cut
hand.
it? Huh?
Should I cut this?
Yeah.